I'm going to do my best to give you a video tour of this 2006 260 Sea Ray Sundancer. She's powered by a 350 Merc Cruiser MAG MPI engine rated at 300 horsepower. The engine was rebuilt less than 2 years ago with low hours. Hopefully you can see she's got a full camper with enclosure. Looks like the isinglass may have about one more season in it before that's ready to be replaced. Has the arch, of course. We've got a cockpit wet bar off on the port side here. Table with sort of an L-shaped seating design. The engine hatch is actually electric, so that center cushion right there lifts out for the engine hatch to come up. Vinyls could use a little cleaning, but other than a small patch right back here, they don't appear to have any major tears or issues. A little bit of the molding that we see sometimes. Coming around, we've got the individual helm seat. Over to the helm, we've got a tilt wheel. Boat has a remote control spotlight. There's a Garmin 3006C color GPS chart plotter. Remote for the stereo. Down to a Navman Tracker 5500 GPS chart plotter. And off on the port side here we have the companion seat. And then of course the boat does have the walk-through windshield, so you can probably see there's molded steps on the door when it's closed. And that section of the windshield opens to walk through. It does appear that this forward section of isinglass has been replaced, so that's much clearer than the rest of the enclosure. So you can see we've got the forward V-berth. And off on the port side here is where our full galley is at. And across is the enclosed head. Cushions all appear to be in very good condition. There's a unit to help keep the interior of the boat dry and mold free. There's also two of those sitting in the mid cabin that you'll probably see when we get back there. One also off on the port side here. So galley upper, you can see we've got the wood interior, you've got some storage, microwave, sink with a cover. The stove is both alcohol and electric. You have large storage down below, and then aft you can see the refrigerator. Carpet also, from what I can see, appears to be in good shape. Look into the mid cabin. Cushions here also appear to be in good condition. Panning around, you can see those other two units that absorb moisture. And we'll come around, of course, to the head where we've got a vacuum flush head system. Vanity, that wand lifts out, so this area can double as a shower. You can hook it right there. You can see there's the edge of the curtain right here. Head area also shows well. So we do have heating and air conditioning. You can see there's the control for it right there. And there's a flip down TV right here. And you can see 3 steps get you back out to the cockpit. So, 2006 Sea Ray 260 Sundancer, located in Carolina Beach, North Carolina. Priced at $44,900 by her motivated seller, whose new boat's going to be arriving later this month. If you have any questions, please call the listing broker Mike at 910-620-9903. That's Mike at 910-620-9903. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.